Has someone you loved died during COVID-19? I've lost 5 people, and it looks as though a 6th person is going to die any day now. None of us can visit our friends that are so sick, and we can't hug our normal people who live outside of our homes. It's a really sad time for the entire world. My name is Providence, and I have this all-consuming desire to help us get through this time. I've been a licensed massage therapist for 28 years, and I've created an online class for you to take alone or with a friend. And you'll learn how to recognize your pain and trauma. We'll use touch and massage and grounding techniques so that you can stand tall during this time. Plus, you'll have access to the class to watch over and over again anytime you'd like to. And I will personally reach out to you before the class so that I can tailor it to the needs of all of us. And because I believe so strongly in this class, and I believe so strongly in you and myself, I'm only charging $20 for this 40-minute class with all of its bonuses. So grab a good friend, click below to learn more.